So, for the properties of fluids, problem number 11, a cylindrical tank 80 cm in diameter and 90 cm high is filled with a liquid. The tank and the liquid weigh 420 kilograms. The weight of the tank, the weight of the empty tank is 40 kilograms. So, what is the unit weight of the liquid in kilonewtons per cubic meters? Yeah. So, for the given, we have a cylindrical tank diameter which is 80 centimeters and the height of the tank is equivalent to 90 centimeters high. Then next, so the mass of the tank and the liquid, so mass total is equivalent to 420 kilograms. Then the weight of the empty tank, so mass of tank is equivalent to 40 kilograms. So determine this unit weight of the liquid gamma in kilonewtons per cubic meters. So ayan. So determine daw natin. So formula, since we have mass, then we can determine for the volume. So formula is rho equivalent to mass divided by volume. Right? Then next, so we don't have any given data for the mass of the liquid. However, we can determine for the mass of the liquid by getting the difference of the mass total minus the mass of the tank. So 420 kilograms minus 40 kilograms. So that is the mass of the liquid. So divided by the volume. So what is the formula for the volume of a cylinder? So formula, so pi over 4 d squared. So d squared is 0.80 meters squared. So convert ko na siya sa meters. Times height. So height is equivalent to 0.90 meters. So 5 over 4 d squared times the height. So to determine for the density, so density is equivalent to density. So 420 minus 40 divided by 5 over 4 times 5 over 4 times 0.80 squared times 0.90. So density is equivalent to 839.984 kilogram per cubic meters. Then next, to determine for the specific weight, so specific weight is simply rho times the gravity. So rho is equivalent to 839.984 kilogram per cubic meters times the gravity, which is 9.81 meters per second squared. So it means kilogram times meters per second squared is simply Newton. Then divide natin by 1000, so we can determine for so we can get for the right answer, which is kilonewtons per cubic meters times 9.81 divided by 1000. So specific weight is 8. Divide natin 1000. 240 kilonewton per cubic meters. So ayan.